Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing my guest bedroom. This is a guest bedroom tour. This is one of my 2 guest bedrooms. So right when you walk in, you see this floral picture. I got that at HomeGoods. Everything you see in this room is either from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Ross. I just love shopping at all of those stores, and I feel like they just have such cute home decor. I just can't get enough. So I'm very into floral pictures, as you will see in this room. There's like 4 different ones, but yeah, I'm pretty into florals for some reason. They just make me happy. And this is actually my old makeup room. I love this room right now. It's my favorite room in the entire house. I just think it's so girly and glam, and it just makes me happy. Purple is my favorite color. It always has been. And I wish this was my master bedroom, but my husband probably would not appreciate an all purpley room. So it's very like girly in our master bedroom. I feel like our furniture is like masculine, which is, I'm not loving it. Hopefully change it out one day, but we'll just have to make do for now. So we're going to start right over here. This little end table I got at HomeGoods a long time ago. It was more of a beigey color. And so when we had our cabinets painted white and our entertainment center painted white, I also had them paint this white just because it was like more off-white and I wanted it to be a little bit more vibrant. So we had that painted. Everything you see on there is actually from HomeGoods. I just, like I said, love shopping at that store. So the lamps from HomeGoods, that purple vase, the bedspread, or it's not called a bedspread, but it's a quilt. They actually called it a quilt. It's nice and thin, and I really liked it. I just thought it was nice and pretty. It's a little bit shiny in material. And then all of these pillows, except for the 2 purple ones with the designs in the back, those 2 are from Ross, and the rest of them are from HomeGoods. And then if you guys are curious about the paint colors on the walls, I will make sure to list those down below. The purple one is like Valspar, and I think it's called Galore, but I'll have to verify that on the actual can. It's been a long time since this room's been painted. That floral picture right there is just absolutely gorgeous. It pops so well against the purple wall. That is from HomeGoods. I always see those there. Like if you look constantly, they always have those. So I've seen different ones and I really like them. So this little throw right here, I believe I got that at HomeGoods, but I could have gotten it at Ross. I can't remember 100%. And then this gray rug I did get at Ross. I actually had it laying on the floor in front of the bed, but my mom actually likes it on the chair when she sits on it, just because that particular chair is a little bit harder. So I guess she just likes it because it's a little more cushiony with the rug on top. But I think it looks better on the floor. But I just leave it there wherever she wants it because she's the one who stays in this room when she comes to visit. So this dresser my husband got used a long time ago when we first bought our house. It was brown. And I'm sorry the camera is so shaky. I'm not really good at filming these types of videos. But yeah, the dresser was brown, and we actually had that painted white as well when we had everything else painted white. And then I switched out the knobs. I bought these little crystal knobs at Home Depot. They're not too cheap. They're about $10 each. No, I think they're around $8 each. But, you know, once you add them up, it can get pretty expensive because I also put these on my daughter's dresser as well. So I just think it adds like a nice girly touch to the dresser. They're just much prettier than the prior knobs. And then everything you see on top of there is from HomeGoods. The clock is from HomeGoods, and the love, the jewelry box, the pineapple, and the lamp. Those are all from HomeGoods. That flower vase back there is from HomeGoods, but the flowers themselves I got at Walmart. I just thought they matched the room perfectly, so I thought they were a nice little added touch. So yeah, I got those flowers at Walmart. And then I'm just going to give you a little close-up shot of the knobs. They're like faceted. So they have like different cuts on them, and they're just very sparkly, and they're made out of glass, which is nice. They're not plastic, because I have some previous ones I got at Home Depot or Lowe's, and they were made out of plastic, and they weren't as pretty as these. So I'm going to give you another view of the room from a different angle. The gray walls, that is called Natural Gray from Behr. I like it. It goes really well with the purple because it's a little bit more of a cooler toned gray. The rest of my house is gray as well, but it's more beigey gray because I have brown floors and stuff, brown countertops, so I just had to make it match. But this room is a little bit cooler and I really like it. So this chair over here, I thought it matched the room perfectly. I actually got this when I first when we first bought the house and I had my makeup room. I bought it and I got it at Home Goods. It's the same with the throw. And then I got these floral pictures right here from Home Goods. I just like that they're white with the purple on them. Like I said, I'm obsessed with floral prints. My mom's like, you're getting a little too carried away. I'm sorry, my phone's going off. But that pretty much wraps up this guest bedroom tour. Let me know if you like these types of videos. I do plan on doing one on my new formal living room and dining room because that's all new furniture and I'm in love with that area as well. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.